So we're in South Korea, Invasions of the Sea. Gonna catch the shuttle bus. Korea only. Alright, we're on the shuttle. Shuttle to the shopping centre. Me and March. And then shopping centre, Chinatown. We jump on the train to Chinatown. And do you see the palace as well?
That's about an hour away. That's 2 hours. Still can do it though now.
There's so many high-rise buildings for real. Alright, so we are in the shopping centre in South Korea. What's the time? It might be a bit early. What day is it? Wednesday? Thursday? So, have a little walk around. Hey, so I'm in the Nike outlet store. And you're getting some good deals here. 40% off. Obviously, these might be trainers of your choice, but they're showing you the discount. Discount that is available. 20 to 40% off. I haven't seen anything that I actually like though, to be fair. Not in the trainer section anyway. Let me go look at the... Let's go look at the clothes and that, because you know how expensive Nike training clothes are. So let's see. So again, 20% off. Shorts up to 30% off. You can't film in there.
How do you know?
The man was like, yo, you can't film in there, so...
What, in the shop?
In the shop, yeah.
Oh, okay.
So yeah, but they had some... The Korean, South Korean Nike outlet.
That's Korean?
Nike outlet. No, that's what I'm saying, it was a price of it decent. I don't know about nothing.
I'll buy it for you.
Oh, we don't need to buy nothing. Let's go to the G Tower. No, we're doing both. We're gonna go G Tower, then Chinatown. So still the shopping centre though. Everything's so cold. It is 11 AM on a Thursday. Oh yeah, look, they say no photos. Alright, let's go barber. Can't film in here. So we're gonna try to get to the G Tower via the subway. Which, oh look there, I think it's there. We could do scooter. Nah, we ain't gonna do 15 minutes scooter.
We could do taxi, Uber taxi.
Uber. Just like China, yeah? Just like China, Ubers are £5. Like, it's crazy cheap. China was a bit cheaper though, but yeah, when you come to South Korea, check out the outlet store. Got some top name brands there. Oh, I didn't see Ralph Lauren. Maybe I'll just go back and get some Ralph Lauren's. Get some t-shirts and see how much they're costing. But yeah, we're gonna go to the G Tower, wait for Uber. And that. We try to, is it that, Mum, is that it there? 1461. Oh. So yeah, we tried to get at the taxi rank. My man was like, nope. Obviously, I don't know if it's probably just a language thing that they can't be asked, but yeah.
It's close.
It's closed. It's coming under construction. It's scheduled to open in July. Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you. Imagine the thing's closed until July. Viewing platforms closed until July. Crazy.
Oh, 62.
Alright, Chinatown it is. Alright, so we came down to Chinatown in South Korea. So this is Chinatown still. Yeah, man. So if you do come to South Korea, go to the palace. We didn't get to go because it's a bit far out. Go to the G Tower. We didn't get to go because it's under construction. And come Chinatown. Oh, now we gotta get some pictures on these stairs, man. It's a little history. Pretty though. It's pretty. We've got to try some food or something, mum. So we've walked up from Chinatown to this park. Took some steps in. Some colourful things down there. Some music's playing. What are your impressions of Korea so far, man?
It's calm.
Just calm. To be fair, everyone's at a chilled, like everyone just said, it's relaxing, they're chilled. I don't know if they're tourists or not, but no one seems like a rush. Everyone's just chilled. So calm for real. Nice and green around here. Oh, there's the park. Nice round here. Actually nice round here. Day something. We are in Jeju, South Korea. With this coming through the terminal. So yeah, let's see what Jeju has to offer. We're at the cruise terminal. It's not the greatest of weathers. Shuttle bus. We're gonna get Uber to go to the waterfalls. So once we do that, should be fine. Look, trying to get a taxi. No one's in these taxis. Let's see what this guy's doing. Oh, you got people in there. Yeah, we've got Uber, but Uber, just like there's no Uber drivers. Or whatever. So, we shall see. Ubers are a myth at the moment. My man's getting on, but it's barking at me. So yeah, Ubers are a myth at the moment. And the taxis, the taxis are not taking cards, and there's no ATM in the cruise terminal. So luckily we got shuttle bus tickets, so we're gonna get on the shuttle bus and then look around and find an ATM and then get Uber outwards. So yeah.
Yay! Drops it away! 1 minute.
There we go. What number?
It is 9407. Fantastic.
At least we could just get a taxi back here, but do your pin.
I've done the pin already.
Okay.
Do your pin.
I don't know. I don't understand how these lot charge here for things that they didn't even create. So we're just getting to the waterfall, and you got to pay to get into the waterfall. Like the waterfall, I mean. So it's a nice day, weather's warming up. How much is?
Yeah, but
2,000.
it was 2,000.
Let's have a quick Google. Oh, so it's not that. So it's $2,000 of their money. What's their Korean dollars?
Is it?
2,000 Korean dollars, which works out to about £1.20p. So it's not that bad. I feel like not that much. So yeah, my mic came off. So Apple Pay not available. Samsung Pay only. No, Samsung Pay. Maybe because it's an American. I don't know. Maybe American company. Or Google. I don't know. Google. I don't know actually. Alright,
But this is the same. When we went with Keisha.
What's a nice waterfall?
Oh, there you go.
I wonder if I could
So
find
what? We can just look past it. Just look. Okay, done.
But you can't walk past it.
Actually, I'm rather pleased we've done that, Aaron.
Done what?
Thank you, Lord. No, the fact it worked out.
Alright. Guess we're at
Worked out
this.
for me.
The waterfall. Looks decent. Steps. Go down these steps. Oh. So yeah, it was let's say it was £1.20 to get in. So yeah, it's not too expensive. Oh, your ticket, you need to give your ticket.
Oh,
Thank you. It's a bit windy though. Definitely gonna try to dip my toe in some water. Do you know what I mean? Some South Korean water and that. Look at her. What's she doing? Think so. These men having lunch, food. Yeah. I wonder why they number their trees. Got 180, 178, 177. Like, why do they number their trees? But you know what? Can't lie, it's beautiful here. Yes, it's beautiful. Nice. I'm definitely getting in the water. My toes have got to touch Korean water. So yeah, we're gonna try get the drone up as well. Hopefully, we will try.
아빠 한번 찍어줘. 그러면 여기서 저 아빠 뒤에 있어?
Let's go. Look at the concentration. You do not want to miss a step here. I promise you. Let's go. You know, everyone's on this side. I'm trying to go over there. But as you can see, these rocks are a bit mad. But yeah, we're gonna have to find a shot somewhere to get this shot in. I really want to get over there. Let's see how adventurous my mum is, yeah? Let's see. Mum, you ready to do our shot? Come, let's do it. Mum, the gap's right there. That shadow there is.
No.
I'm saying I could make her cross.
So what does it serve me? It serves me no purpose. Go ahead.
Let's see. Oh my gosh. If I slip, I'm... Hey! Yeah. That didn't even look... Where? I said if I slip. Huh?
Slippery.
It didn't even look slippery though.
It doesn't. So no, because that serves no purpose. Can you imagine if you done that slip? What do you mean?
Where? It's this there. See?
And then all stuff in your hand, so your hand
But balanced. Like, it literally didn't even... Do you know what it is? It's not even slippery, it's just trainers. Oh, my bum.